Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So let's play tournament fight. Mount. Let's. Wow. I just shut up. Stay back. Okay, combo 3. Ninja Star. What kind of armor is that? Wait a Okay. Sorry for background noise. Let's try pick. Shit. Okay. No, it doesn't. This doesn't look good on me, Monkey. Stay back. Wait a minute. Okay, done. All right. Let's go challenge. You can't use kicks in this fight. Okay. Serpent. It's look weird. It is without legs. But still it's easy. It's not that hard. Okay, then. Let's try down. Okay. So, spin. Patak. Okay. Okay, equipment level 10 and tournament is impossible. I need just one more 500, I guess. Yeah, I need more 500. Let's try impossible, shall we? Okay. Fiend. I need to win at least one impossible battle. I need to dodge his weapon attacks. No effect on game. Wait a minute. Don't go away from me, please. No, 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 no. Okay, come here and do this. Okay, round one won. Let's next round. I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna win this. No, please. No defense. No defense, please. Let me win this battle. Impossible challenge. And it at least one. No, no shit. No, no, no. No, please. No ninja star. No weapon. Okay, I died. Third round. No, please. Shit, 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 shit. No, I lose. One hit and I died. One hit and I will dead. See what I tell you? I not died, but another hit will left. Okay, I died. Alright, let's play challenge. Fight. Brawler. I think I should upgrade Ninja Star because it affects difficulty levels. Round second. Ninja Star. Spin. No? Oh my god, where you attack, bro? Okay, Vaughn. Do I have energy? Oh, letter. I knew it. He's gonna come again. They will come again. Like Trickster in previous act. Offering nunchucks. Now he. Okay. Hawk. Another animal name? Why they have animals name? Who cares? I travel the land searching for the perfect rival, but I have yet to meet one. Could you be the one I'm looking for? Hermit's tournament is just a Vanity Fair. It's mastery that matters, not blood strength. My Naginata could be yours if your skill is enough. Let me store. Okay, Shangu 52. I can purchase Shangu. Should I purchase it? It's 52. I want to purchase. It looks good. Let me see. Try on. You know what? Let's just purchase this weapon. 14 by wait. Let's just wait. Okay, I order that. I should purchase Shongo too. It has poisoning enchantment, a chance that your enemy will start to lose 3% health per second over 5 seconds after being hit. This chance is proportional to the damage dealt with the power of the enchantment. Oh shit. While downloading this game, there was two Shadow Fight. One was special edition and this one was normal. Special edition, I think we get gems too. Am I right? Whatever. Guard harness 17,000, 10,000, and Ninja Star. I think I should upgrade this one. Need 13,000. Okay. I'll upgrade this. So I'll enchant this weapon for Hermit's one. How much time? Till 3 minutes. Let's learn this. Show. Okay. Win one round perfectly 20. There is also Eclipse. Make first hit. I need a 10 hit combo. I want to reach crazy style too. Fantastic style too. This is impossible. I reach only still crazy style. Wait. Yeah, I did reach crazy style while battling Volcano. You can see in my that video. Yeah, I reached crazy style. But they did not mention here. I think it only works in this 6 regions, not in like volcano or fungus area, Fedum area. Okay, let's see. Need just 49 gems till 2 minutes and 1 minute and 23 to 1. I can see it. Okay, let's prepare for Hawk. I don't know if we will win or not, but his weapon looks good too. Let's higher volume. Let's turn. Okay. How much time? 32, 31, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 28, 19, 17, दस, नौ, आठ, सात, छ, पाँच, चार, तीन, दो, एक. Okay, done. Your order is ready. Equip. Let me equip this. Let me try this. I have only one life. Okay. Double. Okay, this is single. Normal. Double. Back. Single punch. Double. Upwards. Downwards. Up double. No, nothing. Okay, that's the same. Okay. Fight. Wait, don't you see this fight difficulty is quite above the average? I can see difficulties. You know what? I just fight this. Hawk. He has like wasp weapon. Wait, let me attack, bro. No, 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 please, please, please. Please keep dodging. I please but please grab him and throw. No, no. Okay. Go. Round two. No. He keep dodging. Perfect. Okay, I win Naginata. Okay. Still low points. I bow to you, Fred. Take my weapon. You earned it. My next quest. A new life goal. Perhaps a martial arts school of my own. Take. Oh, I got Naginata. And it has the enchantment of what? Alright, let's equip this. What this is Blood Rage. A chance that you will deal 200% more damage on your hit, but would also lose 10% of damage dealt in health. This enchantment won't work if it will cause you to lose. This chance depends on the power of the enchantment. Okay. Mongos also look great. Not that good, I think. Let it be. Swords. I let it be. I just play with this Naginata. It has enchantment. I have only two lives, so let's play two challenges. Let's play bodyguard. Fight. Tiger. War is the only constant. With Hermit's magic, I will conquer all who oppose one starting with you. Okay. His weapon was covering O alphabet. Okay, fine. Tiger. Again, claws. It looks like cheap Linux weapon. Model. How it works. Whoa! What a weapon! But it skipped dodging. What? Okay, it worked. Huh? Okay. No, go away. No, 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 no. No, please. Okay, Vaughn. Okay. There is no shame in being bested by a good soldier. Okay. Okay, that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to share, subscribe, like, and comment. Alright, see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.